Hi guys, welcome to Joseph IT. Today I'm going to show you how to get the trial version of Mcafee Antivirus, one of the best antivirus in the world, easily from the official source. Okay, so first of all I'm going to Google Chrome, and as you can see on Google, I'm just typing Mcafee trial version. Okay, and hitting there. Okay, it is directly on the trial version page. Even if you come to the main website, you just have to come to the antivirus and this will be there. Okay, now as you can see, download free trial. Click here, and primarily it is showing 5.52 MB. No problem, download it, open it. Okay, this is the file and I'm just going to install it. Okay, it's asking you to agree and install it. Okay, and we may have to wait for a while until it gets installed, and the main file is now being downloaded to your system and will be installed automatically. Please wait patiently. Okay, it is most probably downloaded and just validating the software. Okay, now it is validated and installation is in progress and asking you not to turn off your computer, and I think you won't surely. Okay, and it's welcoming us, and simply click on go to app. Okay, this is the trial version of Mcafee Antivirus, and you can use it for 30 days, and if you want you can run a full scan, quick scan, etc. Okay, I'm just going to click on not now, and you can do everything later. And we may need to update it. Okay, you can go to PC security to have scans, etc. Then PC performance, you can also optimize your PC performances from here, and all the things that you can see, you can check it one by one on the ease of your access at your convenient time. Okay, and that was the way of installing Mcafee trial version easily from the official source. Okay, and make sure that you up-to-date frequently so that it can work properly. And I think this was a lengthy process of installing this software in your system, but even if you do this, then your PC will work faster and you'll be free of viruses. And I hope you really found this video useful. If you did so, then please hit the like button, share your experiences, suggestions, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT if you have not yet. More videos are coming ahead and I hope you will be with us. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.